Right, we're on a job today now, on a Saturday. Change over consumer unit, and it's got this old VAR cabling, which should just service it to the customer now for the installation. There's thousands of houses in every area, definitely the Swansea area, with this stuff in. It's the old VAR, vulcanized Indian rubber, and this is why it doesn't comply. And you can't use it anymore. If your house has a flat twin black cable, it's grey some places because of the dust. But if you see the difference in grey and black there, it's black, right? Like I can just strip with my hands like that, like a peeling station with my fingers, right? And sometimes when you move it cracks. This does not comply anymore. It's not in the regs, can't use it. It is over 70-year-old. It has a 30-year life. It is really, really dangerous and no doubt causes house fires. So we ain't using it. We're only using in this installation now the brown and black, brown and blue. There's nothing wrong with black and red, but this is the old cable. Not as old as VR, but you've got stranded tin copper cables. This suffers with cable cancer. So this is almost as dangerous as a VR. It's the next generation. This doesn't comply either. So we are not connecting that. The only ones we are going to connect are a solid core. The larger cables like 6 and 10 mil are stranded. But if this was red and black, but this construction, which came to play in the mid-70s, as long as it passed the installation resistance test, I would use it.